It's a well-known fact that the angles in a triangle sum to 180 degrees. And while there are plenty of great proofs of the triangle sum theorem, in this video I'd like to provide some intuition using origami. For this demonstration, you'll need a semi-transparent sheet of paper, I used wax paper, and a Sharpie to write with. Start by folding an arbitrary line across the paper, from bottom to top. Then you're going to want to trace the crease with a Sharpie so it shows up later. Next, fold a second line so that meets the top line at the edge, like this. So the two lines come together at a point at the top. As you can see, this forms our triangle. One side, two sides, three sides. We're going to mark the angles with our Sharpie so that they show up later in the proof. Okay, now for the proofy part. Fold the paper in half so that the bottom edge meets the topmost edge. This creates a W shape, and all of our angles are still clearly marked. Take the leftmost angle and fold it across the bottom point so that these two lines meet up. And then do the same with the other angle. As you can see, the angles now fit snugly together, and they form a straight line, or 180 degrees. Thus, the sum of these three angles is 180 degrees, just as I had claimed in the beginning. This not only works for acute triangles like mine, it works for any triangle. However, if you're doing an obtuse or right-angled triangle, make sure that you put the obtuse or right angle at the top, otherwise the folding becomes a little more complicated. So there you have it. This isn't a definitive proof, as each demonstration only proves the triangle sum theorem for one specific triangle. However, hopefully this video provided you with a fun, hands-on gut check for why this theorem is true.